Hey guys, I've just bought this awesome Samsung Galaxy Note 9 512 gig with a special deal in Auckland, New Zealand. It comes with a wireless charger duo and me power bank. You can see that. The power bank comes as a 2000, or I should say 20,000 mAh me power bank. And Sen has a Momentum wireless headphones. So let's open this up. You can see the Samsung logo there. $512 gig Galaxy Note 9, and I'm pretty sure you must have seen the specs by now, so don't need to go into that much detail regarding the specs. This is the awesome phone. Comes with the dual camera, dual aperture, S Pen, 4000 mAh battery, stereo speakers, awesome finish. The box comes with a ejection pin for the SIM, quick start guide. Also comes with this awesome cover for your phone. There's the wall charger, as you can see that. USB connector and the normal cables. Let's start up the phone. There's a power button on the side. The phone boots, and you can go through the normal setup process of putting the SIM inside. I'm pretty sure all of you must be excited about this new awesome Superphone from Samsung. If you like my video, then please subscribe. This is Auckland Desi signing off from Auckland, New Zealand. Thank you. Take care.